Hey guys, how's it going? This is reaction video number 2 for the night. First one was Lacuna Coil Swamped. I'm kind of on the fence about that one getting added to my playlist. In case you don't know, my playlist is a thing that I have where if I really like, I have to really like a song for it to get to my playlist, because my playlist is reserved for songs that I can listen to over and over again. Not just once or twice, but like I can just have it on repeat for an hour and just love it. So I'm very selective, I'm very picky about what gets added to my playlist. So the Lacuna Coil song I don't think is going to get added, but I'm going to give it another listen privately and we'll see. If anything changes, I'll probably say something. If I don't, then I don't. Anyways, back with another recommendation from Zephyr. This one is by Trees of Eternity. Song's called Hour of the Nightingale. Never heard of the band, never heard of the song. Don't know what to expect. 309,000 views, 5.5 thousand likes. So they're pretty known. I mean, those are pretty good numbers, I think. I'm not big on the whole YouTube thing, but I mean, anything over 100,000 to me sounds like it's pretty popular. I could be wrong though. I mean, I'm not too in touch with technology in that, but anyways, yeah, we'll get into it. See if this song gets added to the playlist. Let's begin. I like the background guitar. It's kind of haunting. I like the sound of it though. It's kind of reminds me of one of those wind up things. What are they called? Like the music boxes that I don't know about your grandma, but my grandma used to have when I was a kid. It's pretty cool. Man, her voice it goes so well with the song. It's very haunting, it's very wispy. I really like it. It's very dark. Not that I prefer that, but it just goes so well with what's going on in the background. Yeah, I'm digging it so far. Wow. Alright, Zephyr, man, you definitely redeemed yourself with this song. I liked it. Liked it a lot, actually. It's getting added to the playlist. I liked her voice. Um, like I said, very soft, very wispy, very, very, I don't want to say painful, but very haunting. Very powerful. And it went so well with the instruments and the way that the song was. Even when the song kind of picked up and turned harder. Is harder a word? I think so. Yeah. But even when it picked up like that, her voice didn't remain too low, but it didn't go too high. It was just like perfect with the way things were, you know. So I definitely enjoyed it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to add this to the playlist for sure. I'm gonna give it another listen though, just to go over the lyrics, because I was trying to process it. The lyrics are pretty deep, so sometimes it's hard to process the lyrics, but listen to a song that you haven't heard at the same time. So I was trying to process it, but listen at the same time, and sometimes that's hard to do. I picked up on most of it, but the meaning kind of lost me a little bit. I think I got it for the most part. the whole metaphor with being Nightingale and thriving in the darkness, because that's when your colors shine the most, is at night in the darkness. So I kind of picked up on that, but I want to go through it again and give it another listen, because it's a deep song, very powerful vocals, very powerful instruments, and yeah, man, I loved it. Love the song. So I'm gonna give it another listen to analyze it and to enjoy it again. Shout out to Zephyr again. Thank you for giving me another song to enjoy, man. And anybody else that's recommended songs, I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, new to the video, if you want me to react to something, leave a comment. If I've seen it, I'll let you know that I've seen it, so I'm not wasting your time. If I haven't, I'll do a reaction video on it. I'll get around to it eventually. I have a bunch of songs that I have to react to still, kind of going through. I have a lot of Volbeat that I need to react to still, so I'm trying to do one a night for that and add in something new. Tonight I chose to do 2 new ones because I've been doing a lot of Volbeat, and not that that's a bad thing. I love it. Actually, there hasn't been a Volbeat song that I haven't enjoyed so far, and I think I've listened to 11 of them. That's gotta be a record for me as far as bands go. So yeah, anyways, got off track there. If it doesn't have to be a song, if you want me to react to any type of thing, TikTok, I don't know what the hell you kids listen to or watch these days, so throw me a comment, let me know, man. As always, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the recommendations. I'm very happy that I have another song to add to my playlist of thousands of songs that I already have. So I salute you guys. I hope you have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.